Morning everybody, Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here from Mr. Topstep with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so yesterday was a trend up, straight up, melt up day in the markets. From the point where Europe bought the 59s right off of their open, we went straight up, basically 30 handles. Where did we stop? That 20-day exponential moving average that we've been talking about on the daily chart. Stopped there cold, 1388.75, and the average was up at 1389 at that point. So we've come off of there. We have essentially retested that overnight and failed there again. What is interesting today about the pivots, and you can get the pivots at the Topstep homepage, or click on my contributor name and you'll find them there, is we have a quadruple pivot zone today. Quadruple pivot zone, it starts with the 45-day pivot at 1379.25, goes down two handles to where the daily and 3-day are locked in, meaning they're identical pivots at 1377.25, and you can throw the 9-day in there for fun at 1378. So this all wraps around that really important 1377 to 1378 level. So there's just a lot going on in that area. We've already gone down to test it. We've traded as low as 78.25, and we're now bouncing. Current trade, as I'm taping this, about 10 after 8 Eastern Time, is 81.25. So, your boundaries for the day are laid out. You've got the 20-day exponential moving average above you. You've got quadruple pivots below you. And, I was telling my subscribers last night, and we were talking about it yesterday, whoever wins this area, whether it's below the quadruple band or if the bulls can get above and close above the 20-day exponential moving average, at least for me on my charts, that is going to be the camp that controls the rest of April. Okay, so this is what we're looking at today, as far as just basically wrestling control for the market. So I would expect very choppy trade today in this 10-handle range. It would be very nice if it gave us, a nice little channeling 10-handle moves, because yesterday is very difficult to trade. It sounds great on paper when we're going straight up, but I walked my subscribers through last night just how difficult it can be. Every buy feels like a chase, and every downtick feels like the end. And so it's very hard to short, but I would argue it's even harder to be long. Unless you just close your eyes and buy and walk away, you're going to feel like you're chasing, and you're going to feel like every tick is the last tick. So maybe we'll get a little bit more two-sided action today. I would expect the bulls to very, very aggressively defend that pivot zone, and I would expect the bears to very aggressively defend that moving average. So we'll see who wins the day, or maybe we chop around and stay inside the range and consolidate into tomorrow's jobless claims. That's absolutely possible. Okay, let's do support and resistance. Current trade, 81.5. So on the upside, I've got 1383, 1385, 33 is a 20-day pivot. 1388 area is the 20-day exponential moving average. Then above that, 95, 1400, and 1408. On the downside, you've got the pivot zone. Starts at 79.25, goes to 77.25. Below that, 73, 69.5. And then the 66, 67 area, which is the 50-day exponential moving average, and some fib levels. Okay, so everybody have a fantastic day. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader from Mr. Topstep. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.